Weather Watchers Network, Stan H. in Los Angeles reporting 63 degrees, cloudy skies there, 55 degrees according to Dave in Acton, very cloudy. We've got a new weather watcher up in Barstow. Who's this? Sonny Burnell. Hey, Sonny, welcome to the club. 83 degrees in Barstow. Looks like it's raining fairly good in Barstow. Looks like he's left me a note. Double rainbow around Barstow about 5 o'clock this afternoon. Did you give me a picture, Sonny? You did. You are so good. Oh, look at the double rainbow in Barstow along Hodge Road, he said. Fantastic. Really nice stuff. All right, let's take a look at the satellite and radar composite for you. You can see that swirl of activity. We had a number of thunderstorms up through the high desert communities of San Bernardino County today. Through the mountains, we saw some thunderstorm activity and just general rainfall elsewhere. You can make out that counterclockwise rotation of that low, that area of low pressure. There's the current Doppler radar. Things are starting to dry up. There's still a little moisture offshore to tap into throughout the night tonight, but we're still seeing some spotty showers from the San Bernardino area down through Hemet along the western side of the San Jacinto mountain chain there, and then up in Big Bear we're seeing a mix of rain and snow in Big Bear as well. But there's some of that leftover moisture that we could still tap into in the overnight hours of tonight. There was some spotty storm activity out over the Long Beach Palos Verdes area, and that's what prompted the National Weather Service to issue this flood advisory till 10 p.m. There's no more activity there, so no doubt they're going to take that down fairly soon. Let's roll out the extended outlook for the next 7 days. Downtown tomorrow, partly cloudy skies, 80, 75 at the beach, 83 for the valleys and IE. Once this low exits out, high pressure is going to fill in immediately. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, very clear skies, but then we get that high and a low very close together, and the pressure gradient between the two is going to kick up, and we're talking about a significant Santa Ana wind event setting up for Friday and Saturday, and very warm temperatures for the valleys, 99 to 103 for Friday and Saturday. Ladies, back to you.